Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up important settings and check accounts so you can reverse changes if needed. Now open Settings and go to Passwords and Security, then Privacy Permissions. This is where Realme groups display choices. Scroll to find apps allowed to show pop-up windows and notifications. Once located, tap each app and revoke the permission to display pop-ups. Doing this stops many intrusive ads from apps themselves and gives you control before moving to system level. Next, target system notifications and overlays. Go to Settings, then Notifications and Control Center, turn off banners and lock screen previews for apps that push ads. Then open Settings App Special Access to disable draw over other apps and auto start for apps that show overlays. This prevents ads that bypass usual notification controls. If an app is the culprit and you need its features, consider reinstalling from a trusted source or switching to an ad-free alternative, but make sure you keep permissions minimal. Finally, lock down browsers and use ad tools. Choose a browser with an integrated pop-up and tracker blocker, or turn on the pop-up blocker in your current browser settings. For system-wide blocking, consider a reputable ad blocker or DNS-based solution. Make sure the app is well-reviewed and from a trusted developer. If ads still appear, reboot into safe mode and uninstall recent apps one by one, or clear app caches to remove residual ad code. If nothing helps, factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.